Well, have I got a great video for you to come and watch. How to make a lasagna che mulinciani e ricotta. So it's with ricotta, eggplants and sauce. And I've just finished making it. Have a look at this beautiful lasagna. Quick, easy, not going to take you long. Your family will love you, and it's a great vegetarian plate for my son Joey, who likes it, and it was his birthday yesterday. So happy birthday, Joey. I love you. Pity you couldn't come and eat it with us here, but I'll make it for you next time you come. I would love for you to follow me and click onto the notifications and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Cook Carmela, and I will try and put a video up every week, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao!